together we are the Action News Team. Your weather warning is on high alert as this epidemic is sweeping over the countryside.
A Category 5 tornado is making its way east from Bubblegum City, Kansas. We have our first look at the destruction.
Now we'll get to our first eyewitness account with Carrie Frost.
Carrie, now to you.
Hey, and we're here. We just got here in Bubblegum City, Kansas, right after a tornado has just hit down. Minutes after, I'm telling you, viewers. If you look behind me here, we have rumble and just the debris of the houses.
That was my house!
That
was my house!
Survivor! Oh my gosh. Oh, you're bleeding!
Ah!
You're bleeding! Are you alright? What did you do? What happened?
I ran and my storm cellar right over there. I got right under that table with my radio and my water and my food, and it came out of nowhere.
Oh my, ma'am, how soon were you in there before the tornado
I heard
hit
that
down?
siren and I ran.
Are there
Where's
any
my
others?
dog?
Are there any other
Dodo!
around? All right, we need some help over here.
Where's my
An
dog?
ambulance! There you have it, folks. Minutes just after, and I don't know what we're gonna do about the storm. And let's get back to the newsroom and hear from Johnny Storm.
Thank you, Carrie. Could you believe that destruction, Sue?
Absolutely not. That poor little girl, she must have been scared out of her wits.
Oh, I just got news that we're getting a live feed from our storm chaser, Richter Scale.
All right, we're in the middle of the storm. We're driving in. Maybe you can see out in front of us. It's the eye of the storm. We're not too close, though. We're about driving on Highway 95, getting pretty close. The winds are gusting about 100 miles an hour. It's insane. And there's hail coming down. It's a mess out there. And I can see people flying up all over me. They're getting sucked into the tornado. I don't even know what's going on. Wow!
Wow, I hope Rick is okay.
I don't know if my Bentley could have handled that storm.
Oh, Johnny. Now to our meteorologist, Miss Maggie Mudslide, for our weather updates.
Thanks, Sue. Well, as you can see here, the tornado has begun to move east and will completely miss us here at the capital city Twixt Towers. But for those of you who don't know, tornadoes are formed when warm air from the south rises and cool air from the north comes down. They combine, and whenever the cold air breaks through, it creates a spiraling formation, and that's how we get tornadoes. That is how M sees it.
Thank you, Maggie.
How interesting on how those tornadoes are formed.
Who would have thought a little warm and cold air could be so destructive? And now, let's turn our attention to Betsy Barometer, our team scientist.
As a scientist, I study many different types of tornadoes. Tornadoes are measured using a device called a Doppler on wheels. It is a machine that attaches to the back of a flatbed truck. As the tornado moves through, the Doppler on wheels calculates the wind speed. When the tornado is over, it is categorized by the wind speed, the size and shape of the spiral, and the damage it causes. Tornadoes range from 0 to 6. They are either gale, moderate, significant, severe, devastating, incredible, or inconceivable. Thanks for tuning in. Back to you guys at the station.
So now you've heard your local news at 5. I'm Johnny Storm.
And I'm Sue Summers.
Keep it classy. Capital
City.